So, what does obsessed mean? Obsessed describes a state where someone has an intense focus or fixation on something or someone, often to the point where it can interfere with their daily life. When someone is obsessed, they cannot stop thinking about or concentrating on that thing, sometimes in an unhealthy or extreme way. Example: he was so obsessed with his work that he didn't take breaks and worked late into the night. Let's take a look at more examples of how obsessed is used. She became obsessed with collecting rare books and spent all her money on them. He was obsessed with playing video games and ignored everything else, like his homework and social life. The fans were so obsessed with the band that they camped outside the venue just to get a glimpse of them. In these examples, obsessed describes a person who has an excessive or uncontrollable focus on something, whether it's a hobby, activity, or person. You might be wondering, when should I use the word obsessed? You use obsessed when you're talking about a person who shows an excessive focus or compulsive interest in something or someone. It can describe both positive and negative feelings, but it's usually used when the focus goes too far. For example, if someone is constantly thinking about or focusing on something to the point that it impacts their daily life or relationships, you can describe them as being obsessed. Example: she's obsessed with fitness, always planning her meals and workouts for the week ahead. Quick recap: obsessed refers to having an intense, often excessive focus or fixation on something or someone. It can be a positive or negative state, but when someone is obsessed, it typically means they are thinking about or focusing on something so much that it disrupts their life. You use obsessed to describe someone who cannot stop thinking about something or someone, often in a way that becomes overwhelming. Now you know what obsessed means and how to use it in different situations.